The 20-volt Brushless Impact Wrench Kit offers a high torque output with a maximum of 370 foot-pounds at high setting, making it perfect for breaking off stubborn fasteners, rusty nuts, and removing tires from cars or trucks. It features a variable speed control with 0-3400 revolutions per minute and a reverse auto-stop function to prevent the nut from falling off, thus protecting the bolt thread when the nut is completely out. Constructed with a hard impact driving system and a fully metal gearbox, this impact gun ensures long life and can tighten or remove the M22 nut over 100 cycles per full charged 2.0 ampere-hours lithium battery. The impact wrench comes with a built-in LED work light that automatically turns on when the switch trigger is pressed, improving visibility even in dark areas. With an overmolded rubber grip design, the tool is comfortable to hold and operate, reducing muscle soreness even after a long time of work. The package includes the impact wrench, a 2.0 ampere-hours lithium-ion battery, a fast charger, a belt clip, 6 CRV impact sockets, and a storage tool bag, providing a complete set for home or car use.